Hello students, today we discuss on science chapter number 3rd, synthetic fibers and plastics. Dear students, the clothes which we wear are made of fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural and artificial sources. You have read in your previous classes that natural fiber like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plant and animals. All natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. The synthetic fibers, on the other hand, are made by human beings. What are synthetic fibers? The fibers made by human beings in laboratory by using chemical are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. A synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance, a large single unit called a polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly means many, and mer meaning unit. Polymer. So a polymer is made of many repeating units. Now discuss on types of synthetic fibers. First of all, rayon. Rayon, also known as silk. Silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China, was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabrics obtained from silk fiber was very costly. Scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. Such a fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet. Rayon mixed with cotton and make bed sheets, and mixed with wool to make carpets. Rayon with wool and make carpets. Now discuss on synthetic fiber, nylon. Second synthetic fiber is nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material like plants and animals. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. It was luster and easy to wash. So it became very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon like socks, ropes, tents, toothbrush, car seat belt, sleeping bags, and nylon also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Nylon third very strong. Now discuss on another synthetic fiber, polyester. Polyester. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Fabrics made from this fiber does not getting wrinkle easily. It is easy to wash, so it is quite suitable for making dress material. Terraline is a popular polyester, and last synthetic fiber is acrylic. We wear sweaters and use shawls or blanket in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool. They appear to resemble wool. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber. Is called acrylic fiber. Dear student, now advantage of synthetic fibers. They do not shrink on washing. Second, they are easy to clean and dry quickly. They need very little or no ironing. They are less expensive than the natural fibers. Some disadvantage of synthetic fiber. First of all, the easily melt and burn. And clothes made from synthetic fiber are very uncomfortable in summer or rainy season. So, dear students,